Now I'll show you how to connect a third-party provider. So if you already have account with a payment provider like WorldPay or SagePay or to checkout, you can integrate it with your Shopify. So simply scroll down to third-party providers and click choose your third-party provider. And here you've got a list of all of the providers, so you can either search for it by typing the name of the provider. So obviously you have the account with them at the time that you want to integrate it with your Shopify store. So as an example, I'll try to show you how to integrate, for example, to checkout. So click on the name to checkout, and you've got setup instructions. So simply follow the instructions. If you need help, obviously you can contact checkout and you will be able to obtain the details from your payment provider to input into your Shopify store.